cat falls, yet never crashes. How? The secret starts with its inner ear. That ear tells the head which way is up. The head rotates first, then the front legs tuck, next the back legs stretch, so the rear follows. A flexible spine lets the middle twist as well. The tail spins around to stop the tumble. This full flip happens in less than half a second, but a cat needs enough height to finish the move. So cats land safely because their body twists in order. Seen your cat do this? Comment below and share. Seen your cat do this? Comment below and share.